Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to combine multiple PDF files into one single PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element or simple open your PDF element software, and here you will find this tools option, this top bar, and this is combine option. Select combine, and here you will find the add file option. Select here and add your file. So PDF file, and you set this to, and this are also, and open, and see this total 4 files here, and you can save folder file, specific folder or source folder, and file name here you can change. Now select apply, and see this our PDF file now combine total 26 pages. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comments.